Hi there, today I would like to look at some chemical substances which are called acids and alkalis. I have some here. You may recognise some of these names. You get acids and alkalis in your home. Vinegar, for example, classic alkali, also lemon juice, but we have got some fairy liquid here, and we've got, it's called Alka Seltzer, but that's just indigestion tablets, and the last one is milk. And without doubt, that label is coming off. Just remember that one there is milk, it's lost its label. Right. So we're going to test them. We're going to find out if they're acid or alkali. Now this here is what we call the pH scale. The colours tell us how strong it is. If colours go this kind of end at pH 1, very, very strong acid. Over here we've got neutral, which is in the middle, and over here we've got alkali, very, very strong alkali. But they're on a scale. You've got all the different strengths in between. Let's have a quick look then. So firstly, let's try the vinegar. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, I think that was 4 drops. 4 drops of vinegar, and this stuff here, this is called pH paper or universal indicator paper. This is the thing that's going to change colour. Wow, see that straight away? That has gone a red colour. That was vinegar. So that's telling us here that is something like roughly a pH 3 or 4, which is quite strong acid. Maybe it's changing a bit colour further, somewhere over here. So that's quite a strong acid. Okay, so I'll just get my next one. That's your vinegar. Next one. Oh, Miss Hunt.
Emergency! We have reached an error! Mr. Crawshaw, are you using the pipette from the vinegar in the washing up liquid?
I think you're right. I think if, yes, I have actually got some vinegar in there, so that's no good. I must get a clean one. And let's put the washing up liquid in. Let's put it in this pipette. A bit harder to suck this one up. Right, let's put a bit of fairy liquid in there. I think that's 4, roughly 4. Now then, will that be an acid, an alkali, or neutral? We shall see. It's a little bit hard to get it, but it's gone to this sort of colour here. It's sort of maybe pH 8. It's a very, very weak alkali. Very weak alkali there for the fairy liquid. Right, I think we'll go for the next one. The next one got, ooh, no, that's the wrong pipette. Got the right pipette now. Thank you. This is Alka Seltzer. Okay, which is, as I said before, it's stomach pills. This is what can cure an upset tummy. Oh.
Emergency! You have reached an error. You have added too much of your sample.
I think that's a good point there. I have put too much stuff in there, but actually I'm going to run with this. I think it won't affect the results, but obviously that is very bad practice. Right, let's have a look. Ooh. Straight away, changed colour. That again is somewhere around about there, a weak alkali. Somewhere over there. Weak alkali, which tells us well, it's an alkali, and that's why people have it if they have an upset stomach, because your stomach contains acid and it will neutralise it. Right, the last one, we are going to go for some milk. I have most definitely a clean pipette, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you happy with that, miss? Oh, thank you. Now then, pop that in there. Ooh. Again, we've got some sort of weak alkali there. So several foods are weak alkalis, but the vinegar, and if we had lemon juice, that would be an acid. Now I've actually got several more, actually. I've got several more things here. These are things we find in the laboratory. We've got hydrochloric acid, we've got sulfuric acid, tap water, sodium hydroxide. Hydroxide means alkali. And we've got some more alkali there as well. So, let's have a quick go. I'm going to quickly pop these out. Doing it super quick now. Hydrochloric acid, I think that's 4. Definitely 4 drops there. And that has gone. What have we got? What have I got to grab this? Oh, proper red. Hydrochloric acid is an acid, no doubt. This one here, sulfuric acid. Let's go, go, go. Sulfuric acid. And let's see. Oh, it's an acid, no doubt. And water. Water, will that be... What's it going to be? Water with acid, alkali, neutral. What could it be? What on earth could it be? We're here. We're somewhere in the middle. This is somewhat neutral, I would say. Right. Sodium hydroxide. It's got the word hydroxide in. It's an alkali. I think, Miss, you weren't paying attention, and I think that was more than 4 drops.
We have made an error.
Right, we're going to have to run with it. Ooh, stronger. Much stronger alkali. And the last one is potassium hydroxide. And the last one, got to be an alkali. I know it's an alkali because it's got the word hydroxide in. Quick one there. Oi, oi, oi! The colour of that, that's right to the end. That is a really, really strong alkali. So we have acids and alkalis here. They're from what you get in your house. And we've got some really, really strong ones from the laboratory. They change colour if you use something called indicator paper. And obviously, you can have some of these things at home, but some of these things are really quite unpleasant. You can't see me, but I've got goggles on, and I'll be washing my hands in just a minute. Okay?